Okay, Shabab, now we'll learn how we can create the frame for our drawings. For the frames, for example, we suppose our drawing size is A3, yani the paper out is A3. So you know that for the paper, the size is 420 millimeters, and this one is the y-axis is 270 millimeters. So you can make any rectangle, or you can make a lines 420 by 290. This is the outline of your frame of your drawing. Okay, then what we can do, we can come any corner of the drawing, like this corner, or you can come in the middle side, and you can create some lines like this one. Okay, so this is just like a standard. Here you put your university name, here name, you can put your name. How you put your name? Simply click the text, this is the text, and then you can make a box, you can create the text over here. These are all lines, nothing special, all the lines which we already did it. So here is the size, that how you can make this line is, for example, 150, 60, or you can make a box. Okay, and offset these lines 130, 135, 10. This is everything is in the millimeters. So once you create the box, it looks like this one over here. And then once you done it, don't put the dimensions. Dimension is for our explanation, so don't put the dimensions. Then what you can do, simply go to the layout. Okay dear, so this is the title block, and how we can fit in the layout. So just go to the layout. Okay, remove everything before here, delete it. Okay, now right click the layout, go to the page setup, and here in the page setup, click here. Right now you can see the size is 8.5 by 11. So we can want to change A3 size. So click modify. In the modify, the size here we change ISO A3 420 by 297. Okay, and here the scale we say not customize, 1:1. Okay, 1:1, and then click OK. Then this is, we can close this one. So this is now our page setup. We can go to the model, and we can bring this one, just select this one, copy, Control C, and then come to the layout, and here we can click Control V, paste. See, this is completely fit over here. So we can see where we can fit. We can just click over here, and don't worry about this one, this is outside, this is just the reference. Okay, now see everything inside, and we don't bring the dimensions, so remove the dimensions. This is just for your reference. And then how we can put this one inside, just move and fix this one. So this is how we can do the block. Okay, and then whatever drawing you want to bring over here, you can just make the view and bring it inside.